Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of the 10th to the 15th over at Walgreens. What a curbside deal is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, driving to the store and picking it up. It's that easy. And if you've had really bad weather, this is the way to shop and get your deals. Alternatively, if you are a shopper that likes to be in store with register rewards and you just like that shopping experience just a little bit more, I recommend you watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end. And yesterday, I posted a video, I think right when the Super Bowl started. I did a huge penny haul. There's a surprise penny list. And if you are a Dollar General, heck, if you have a Dollar General in your town, I recommend watching this video, going to the store, and trying to find a couple of these items, because to pay a cent for a big bag of dog food, that's winning. Now, if you are just like me and one eye open and really, really tired, Starbucks is offering a tall coffee, either a iced or a hot beverage, and it's one per card, and you have to sign up for their app. It's today only and it's all day, so get your free coffee, especially if you're feeling kind of sleepy like yours truly. Before we hop into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. Helps the channel out, helps the video out. If you could take a second and like the video, thank you so much in advance, guys. You guys simply rock. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is deals I couldn't do because I could not find this merchandise like within a 100-mile radius of where I live. The first is the Clean and Clear. It's some sort of like cleanser. $1.79. We have a $2 digital. It makes this guy as a curbside completely for free, and the coupon will get reduced down to $1.79, and this is curbside only. And then this Neutrogena, it's a makeup remover pencil. I've never seen anything like it. It's on clearance for $5.49. We have a $2.50 digital, making it $2.99. I wish we had a bigger beauty counter that carried all these fancier makeups, but I could not throw it in a basket, unfortunately. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at is everybody's favorite, these massive hand soaps for $5.99. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and there's a promotion of spend 20, get back 5 on the Softsoap products. So throwing 2 of these in a basket. And we were presented this yesterday, which is a really nice 3 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. And we're going to also throw in 2 Softsoap body washes. Forgive me, guys, it just says 1. I don't want to put up 2 screenshots of 2 different flavors. It's 2. So throw 2 of them in a basket, and we also have this generous 5 off 2 digital. Unfortunately, my store no longer carries the Irish Spring. It's only Softsoap. Kind of interesting. This is the promotion I was talking about. It is to spend 20, get back a $5 reward on this specific product. And let's pay attention. The operative word here is spend. So for the balance, you have to use your debit card. Do not use Walgreens cash on a spend deal. To show you guys, $5 off, $3 off, or $8 of digitals coming off, and then using the code WAG10, an extra $1.60 off. So this is like the great part of curbside shopping, is that sometimes you get these extra little codes to throw in. The overall total is $23.96. Subtracting the $1.60, we're still at that $20 threshold, guys. I checked. Free curbside pickup and tax, $8 melting off. So with your debit card, pay $15.70, and then you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. What a deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is just a quick little toilet paper deal. We're going to grab one of these 4-packs of the Cottonelle for $5. And if you're looking carefully, we have a $1 digital coupon. So hey, $4. And this is the $1 digital that we're going to load for this little dealio. And then when you're in store picking up your order, walk down that paper aisle, because there is a lot on clearance. And then we're going to get 2 of the best friends, a paper towel and a toilet paper by Scott, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. And for both items, we have $1 digital coupons. Any way that we could save $1 or $2 on paper, we are here for it. And as you can see, it's 50% off for the toilet paper. So make sure you load up on that one, and boom, here it is. The final item to get us past that $10 threshold is one of these Aveeno travel size, it's a scrub of some sort for 99 cents. So from $4.79 to 99 cents, not too shabby. Just to show you guys this, we have the paper $3 coupons coming off, $1 off each, plus using the code WAG10 for an extra 95 cents off. The overall total is $13.49. WAG10 taking 95 cents off, and $3 in digitals also melting off. So $10.29. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 29 cents and call this a paper great deal. So this next deal is called Happy Valentine's Day. And I think most of us love stationery, and we have these Papermate Flare. It's a scented pen. Wow. 79 cents. The original price was $7. You'd think they'd drop it down to 70, but I think they need that extra 9 cents. I don't know why. It looks like a nice package or a nice pack of pens. So 79 cents. And then we're going to grab one of these L'Oreal. It's like an eye, like for the around the eyes, that more delicate cream for $17.99. Now, couple of us, probably if you're doing my deals a lot, you have the same digitals as I. We got the $6 off L'Oreal skincare only for you. So hopefully you have the same one as I. So we're going to utilize this coupon in the deal. Now, just to show you the extra savings, the $6 L'Oreal. And then if you type in WAG10, you're getting an extra $1.20 off. So not too shabby. The overall total for this basket is $18.78. WAG10 taking $1.20 off, free curbside pickup, tax, $6 digital melting off. So the total is $12.63. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and pay $2.63. And I mean, nice new cute pens and eye cream. I mean, I just think that would be the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Okay, final deal I have prepared for you. This is another spend deal, and it is to grab 2 of these larger 13-ounce Gold Bond lotions. I'm going with the diabetic one, a one my mom really likes, so that's the one I tossed in, but you can grab any type for this price point. Promotion on Gold Bond is to spend $15, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. The operative word there is spend. So for the balance, you cannot use Walgreens cash as well. And I will let you know in the app, the estimates are still not showing. So that's why I can't show you the estimates in this video. And we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon that's attaching to these Gold Bonds. Now, just to show you this, that 10 off of 2 melting off, and then the code WAG10 for an extra $1.40. The overall total for this basket is $23.98. WAG10 coming off, and then free curbside pickup, tax, and your $10 digital also coming off. So you're going to have to pay with your debit card $13.93, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making both lotions with tax included like $8. So $4 per or $4.50 per. I think it's a very good deal. That's it for this video, and I'm going to link yesterday's video right here and the Dollar General Magic if you wish to watch it. Both excellent videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.